I get to do a lot of the fun stuff, a lot of the fun stories where we come in and, we try to do stuff a little different. You've heard of the Wade's Way or the Wade's Difference, and this is kind of part of it, and it's what we truly enjoy. For example, we have this coach here at a young family, have a little 5-month-old baby that's traveling from Florida to Alaska. And they had an issue, and there was nobody else that will help them. And you'll hear his story. It'll come straight from him, so you get to hear all the details. But basically, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate, the customers, how much we enjoy, doing the things a little bit different and kind of going above and beyond. It's kind of what we do, and that is the Wade's Difference.
My name's Joe Kalis. My family and I are moving from Florida to Alaska with the military. We bought this RV before we left, paid somebody to go through it, make sure everything was good before we took off. And as we were coming into Oklahoma, I stopped, got fuel, went through my checks like you're supposed to, went to check my air pressure, need a little more air in the tires. When I climbed under it to put air in the tires, I noticed the rotors had a bunch of stress fractures and some serious cracks going all the way through. So we stopped. I didn't want to take a 5-month-old on a trip without brakes, so we started calling around, trying to find places. Initially couldn't find anywhere. Talked to Wade's RV. They said they were booked out for 2 months. A lady named Casey was trying to help us find different places that could get us in, and nobody could work with this size motorhome. So I called Casey back. She said, give her a call back if I can't get anybody. I told her. So she sent me down here to Glenpool, and they got us in. They said, bring it by. We'll see what we can do. They looked at it, got us in immediately. They drove all day yesterday. They spent looking for parts for it. When they finally did find the parts that could fit this old of an RV, then they had an issue of finding the tools that could work on it. So then they had to go and they bought tools to work on specifically my RV. And after that, they got one side of it done, had to wait for the other parts. They actually let us stay here on the lot with our RV, hooked us up, made sure my family was comfortable. They've been welcoming the entire time, offering us food, drinks, coffee, the remote to the TV, just basically kind of set up in their lobby. So they've been amazing. I can tell you that 100% when we get another RV or trailer, we'll definitely be coming back to Wade's. I don't care if I got to fly from Alaska and drive it back up, but we will definitely come back here.